Hey Murray, tell us, you sum up your performance for us. You get the man of the match today. I saw you in the midfield, making some good plays and stuff. Sum up your performance.
There's room for improvement always. So I'm not going to give myself that much credit. I come out here today and play my best. I get the game going, get the team achieve.
How the transition like though, leaving from high school, schoolboy football into the Premier League, playing at this high tempo, high level?
I'm getting used to it so far because I played my first season last season, I won the title. So it's getting there and there each day, training and match games.
I saw your coach, really trusting you and putting you out there to play. He believes in you. Tell us more about it.
Just me. Great coach so far, a great coach, man. I always believe in youth. All the other coaches don't believe in youth, so I always believe in youth. It's our future. Youth can make the team play much faster and organized.
Nickache Murray, thanks for the interview and continue to do the good work. Hope you get more man of the match performance.
Thank you very much.
All right. My time now, man. All right, so how would you analyze your overall performance? I know you said there's room for improvement, but on the fact that at this game, what you say take away really make you enjoy this game so much that you put in such a good pound tonight?
Movements, always having the ball at my feet. Play really well. Organize the team, organize the players so that we can pass the ball and get a bit to us.
Yeah. So what was the coach's instruction in the second half? I know you guys were leading at that point in time. I knew the coach wouldn't want you to get complacent. What was the instruction coming out in the second half?
Don't let Harbour score on us. That's it. That's a very important part of it.
Yeah.
No conceding. Just continue keeping the ball up to 3 half. I'll try and get some more goals.
All right. Good game and congrats again. Eh? All right.